Hello guys, Ilya here, and today I'm going to show you how to fix TikTok message problem. Basically, it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do to not make any mistakes. So all we need is just to open our TikTok, then go to profile, hit the profile icon in the right bottom corner. Basically, this is a way how you can fix any problem with your messages if they are not showing, if you then have this option. So basically just follow the steps I do here. Now click on more in the right top corner, these three lines to open this toggle menu, choose settings and privacy here. On this page, scroll down to find support and about and click report a problem. So on this page, we need to find the most suitable topic, so it will be like direct message. So click on it here. And as you can see now on this page, in a few seconds, it may take a little time, we need to choose the necessary problem. For maybe there are 4 options we can choose here, but sometimes we can click on other if we have a other problem. And on this page here, we need to click on no and then just click on need more help. So after that, we need to describe our problem we want to solve. For example, hi, I need to fix problem with direct messages. I don't see them. Basically, you need to describe your problem as with more details as it possible. We can also add some screenshots from our screen. Just click on the icon. As you can see, we can pick 4 pictures here. And after all, then everything is ready. You need to click on submit, and this report will be sent to TikTok support team, and in a few maybe hours or maybe 1 or 2 days, they will respond to you. They will send you the instruction how to fix it, or they will fix it by themselves and it will be automatically changed for your account. So this is the only one way, the easiest way how we can fix this problem. Basically, I hope guys this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and watch my other tutorials. I wish you a very good day. Goodbye.